Thinkific Website Builder Honest Review, watch before using. Links to Thinkific are included in the description for easy access. Thinkific is a platform primarily aimed at educators, coaches, and entrepreneurs who want to create and sell online courses without needing technical knowledge. It's especially popular among course creators due to its specialized tools for structuring and delivering educational content. Thinkific's website builder comes with drag-and-drop functionality, allowing users to customize their course sites quickly. You can build landing pages, sales pages, and full websites that not only look professional, but also provide an engaging user experience. A standout feature of Thinkific is its integration with course management tools. You can upload various types of content like videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources, making it easy to create interactive and valuable learning experiences. Thinkific also includes tools for community building, so you can add discussion boards and comments to engage with your students directly. Additionally, the platform supports e-commerce capabilities, allowing you to set up pricing models, process payments, and even offer discounts or memberships, all of which are essential for scaling your business. Thinkific is a great choice for those looking to monetize their knowledge or skills, and it's built to simplify the process of course delivery and audience engagement. However, it's worth noting that Thinkific's design and customization options are somewhat limited compared to general website builders like Wix or Squarespace, which might not be ideal if you're looking for extensive design flexibility. Overall, Thinkific's builder is an excellent choice if you need a streamlined way to build, and market your course-based business. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews that help you make informed decisions about business tools. Thanks for watching.